Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to pull color from any photo in Canva. And actually, Canva is already doing it for you. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you were having a hard time finding just the right color that you wanted to use in your designs. I'm going to screenshot a photo here. I went to one of my favorite clothing online shops that I knew had a lot of color. And I'm just going to click on this and find a photo that has like a good array of color. And now I'm just going to screenshot this. On my Mac, it's Command Shift 4, and then it brings up this little scissor right here in the left-hand corner, and then I'm just going to drag it over the top. All right, so I have a new design open here in Canva, and I am going to upload that photo to Canva. Come over here to the left and click on Upload and say Upload File. Now I'm going to go to my screenshot folder. You might need to go to your most recent folder, and there's that photo there. I'm going to upload that. And I'm going to click on it and add it to my design. Now you can see up here it's pulling a bunch of different colors, but let me show you where I want to look for all these colors. If you click on one of the colors, scroll down to where it says photo colors, you'll see that Canva is already pulling colors for you. Now I click on that background, I can change that color to any of these, and I can adjust it a little bit also by coming up here to the rainbow plus sign. And now I can just move it around a little bit. I can also click on the pick a color. And then if it didn't pull just the right color I want, I'm going to come here. I'm going to look around the design and then just pull the color that I want. Now you'll see once I pulled that color, it's right up here in my document colors. If I wanted to add more color from this photo, I can just add more blocks of color just to pull that in. It just came in as a square. I hit the R button on my keyboard. That brings in a square or a rectangle. And then here I can again go pull colors from the photo. I'm just going to copy and paste this until I get all the colors that I want. Okay, one of the colors it didn't pull is this yellow. So I'm going to go grab that like I did before. I'm going to go to this rainbow plus, go to the pick a color, and then I can just zoom over this and pull the color that I want. And again, I can adjust it a little bit, or I can go back, try again. Okay, and then once I have the colors that I want, I can either open up a pre-existing design that I want to add those colors to, or I'm just going to add a page right here. I'm going to go to design. And here are some recently used templates that I've seen. Okay, so we've got this here. Now I can make any changes to this with these new colors. I have this document here, and now all of the colors are up here. So I can change it to the colors that I was pulling from that design. Okay, hopefully that gets your creative juices flowing, and you can use this for plenty of Canva projects moving forward. All right, we'll see you next time.